Hey, what's going on YouTube? So for this installment on my Tacoma 2018 Tacoma TRD off-road, decided to put a differential breather for the rear. So I know a lot of people just like to put them up on or run the hose all the way up to the light, one of your tail lights, which I didn't want to do. I just wanted to put everything in the front. So what I did is just run the hose. You buy your plug-in and just replace it over there. So I ran the hose all the way down. Just ran it all the way down through here. Popped it up over here so you can see the hose right there. All the way to the other side. To my breather over here. So I just picked up one of these ARB breathers and installed it over here, so I thought that was just a lot nicer. Now just keep in mind you also got a bunch of breathers for the front, and if you can't locate them, I don't know if you can see them back there, but I don't think I can focus it, but they'll be just right back there. So what I plan to do next is just connect them all of them to these breather right here. So just let me know if you have any questions, and see you guys later.